Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we discuss one 4 question LRDI set from slot 2 CAT 2024. This is 4 question LRDI set from slot 2. Here in this LRDI set bubble representation is there. This is one type of representation of data in bubble format other than words and verbal. This is diagrammatical representation, and here in some information is given how to interpret this data in the bubble representation in these words. Here it is given that the two plots below give the following information about 6 films A, B, C, D, E, F, or six films in the year 2019 and 2023. So first data is related to 2019, second is related to 2023. So we can 23. Next, PAT. PAT is nothing but here it is mentioned that PAT. What is meant by PAT? The film's profits after taxes in rupees crores. Profit after taxes. PAT is representing Y coordinate in both. So Y coordinate in both the bubble charts are PAT representing profit after taxes in crores. Crores we have to remember, just profit after taxes. Next, ES represents the film's employee strength. That means numbers. This is number of people, number of working strength. That is the number of employees in the film. And PRD represents what about ES? ES is horizontal axis, employee strength in numbers. These are numbers. That means 500 numbers, 700 numbers, 900 numbers, 1100 numbers, 1300 numbers, 1500 numbers, like that. PAT is related to crores. So 4,400 crores, like that. This is our profit after taxes in crores. And here, if we observe representation, each here on x-axis, it has some part of bubble graph is taken. Here 500, this is 700. So one horizontal block indicates 500 to 700 means 200 units distance. One horizontal block 700 to 900, 200 units in both plots. And coming to vertical axis, here this is assumed to be, we can take here around 3000. This is 3000, this is 3000, this is 3200. That means this vertical axis is taking 200 units. One unit is equal to 200 units, 3400. If half is there, we can represent it as 100, like that. Next, in the plots, the horizontal and vertical coordinates of point representing each film gives ES and PAT. It is discussed. The PRD, how that profit, the percentage of films research and development during the percentage of films taxes, the percentage of films PAT, profit after taxes, how much is utilized in research and development is given in the form of representing in each film. The areas proportional to the areas around the points. Here, this is very important point. The PRD values of each film are proportional to the areas around the points. Areas around the points. For example, here all these films we can discuss clearly. Here, one second, blue color. Here this is A film, this is B film, this is E film, this is F film, this is C film, and this is D film in the year 2019. And for example, how we study this table. For example, E is representing horizontal axis 2000, E is representing horizontal axis 2400, and vertical it is 1200. So corresponding to E, we can say PAT value is 2400 and vertical axis ES strength is 1200 people. Corresponding to D, we can say this is in between 3800 and 4000. So for 3900 crores of tax after taxes is there for film D in 2019, and the number of people are between this in between 500 and 700 in between. So 600 employees are there in the 2019. For example, if we represent 2023, what happens? B is exactly 900 to 1100. It is 1000 people, and horizontal axis is 3800 crores PAT taxes, like that. And coming to PRD point, research and development share proportional to the areas around the areas around the points is important. Around the points. For example, if we represent B, what is PRD value for B in 2023? So B, okay, C, we can represent C. C is having around the point 3000 profit and profit after taxes 3000 crores. Around that point, area is nothing but pi r square. Pi r square or pi r square or pi d square by uh, 4, pi d square by 4, pi r square we can represent here, or else indirectly area is directly proportional to radius square or diameter square. Here what is the diameter of this circle is lying between 2800 to 3000, 3200. So diameter is 2800 to 2000. This is 2800, this is 3200. Diameter is 400, so 400 square we have to apply. Corresponding to this is having more than 2 units plus additionally half unit. This is 1/4 unit, this is 1/4, altogether 1/2 unit approximately. So 2.5 units of 2.5 units into 200, so 500 square, like that. Corresponding to E, it is between 3 units. So 3 into 200, 600 square, like that. Here also we can represent like that. This is having 2 units. So in 2019, area of research and development profit share is proportional to this much square. 200, 400, 2200 to 2600, 2800. So 2400 to 2800, 800 square, like that. Now coming to the questions. First question. Uh, Assume that the annual rate of growth in PAT over the previous years, annual rate of growth ARG remained constant over the years for each of the 6 films. Which among the films A, B, C, E had the highest ARG? Okay, here here we can represent that ARG. Film A. Firm A and firm C, firm E, firm E is B is given. Firm E, first year we can consider. Annual rate of growth we have to consider, which is the highest, corresponding to PAT value. PAT values we have to represent. PAT value, PAT for A will be on horizontal. If we observe on horizontal axis, it is 3000, and 3000 into, we have to we have to find for 2023 data to 2019 data we have to consider. So 2023 film A is having how much? It is in between 3000, this point is nothing but 3800 to 4000 minus, in between 3900. So 3900 minus 2019. In 2019, what is the value corresponding to this 3000? So 3900 to 3000 drop, increment. Sorry, in 2019 it was 3000 crores. In 2023 it was 3900 crores. A B next, B firm. B firm is having in 2023 B firm 3800. So 3800 2023. 2019 B firm is having. If we observe, this is 2800, so 2800. And C firm is having 3800 to B firm is having C firm. C firm is having in 2023 3000. 3000, and in 2019 it is having 2400. PAT values, we are considering only PAT values, that means vertical axis coordinates. And ABC and E is having this is 3000. This point we have to consider. This point is 3400 to 3600, in between. So 3500 to, and here he is having exact point 2400. So out of all these, which is having which among the film is highest ARG we are having? 3900 to 900, this is 900. 3800 to 2800, this is 10. 3000 to 2400, 6. 3500 to, this is 2400, this is 11. So first one is having 3500 to this is 2400. This is the E is having 2400, 24, 35, 11. So highest among is having E. Answer for this question is firm E. I repeat, firm E is having highest annual rate of growth compare over ABCE. While considering question number two, the ratio of the amount of money spent by firm C firm C in R&D in the years 2019 to 2023 is required. So first we write numerator part 2019, denominator part we can write 2023 data, and R&D, that means we have to find out that ratio. So around the point here, firm C is required. So we have to consider this firm C and this firm C data. In 2019, film C is having here area R&D. R&D is proportional to area proportional to the reference point, around the point, central point. Central point is 2400 here. So 2019 it is a ratio of 2400. Corresponding to 2023 it is a ratio 3000. This is 2400, this is 3000. So we can keep 3000 directly, and it's proportional to area proportional to corresponding area. So if we observe, this is 1 unit, this circle is having 1.5 approximately. Actually, it is less than 1.5, but approximately it is having 1.5. So 1.5 radius. Actually, radius 1.5 means 1.5 square we have to write. Radius square 1.5 into 1.5 we can write. Forget about this two. Next, divided by this is having 1 unit, this is having 1 unit, this is having 1 unit. Radius is 1 and 1. 1.5 by 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. So this is altogether it is having 24 here. Unit value is having 200 crores, and overall in multiplying factor in numerator and denominator get cancelled. Therefore we put 1.5 directly. No problem with that. So if we cancel out corresponding values, so we will get this and this got cancelled. Uh, 24 by 30. 24 by 30 is 4 by 5. 6 4 25, 6 5 30 into 1.5 by 1. 1.5 1 by 1 is 3 by 2. 1.5 by 1 is 3 by 2. So 2 got cancelled. 4. Altogether it is coming to be 9 is 9 by 5. So option B is the answer for this. Coming to question number 3. Coming to question number 3, 1 second. Okay, which among the films A, C, E, and F had maximum PAT per employee in 2023? Corresponding to question to third question, we are having which among the films A, C, E, F had the maximum PAT score per employee in 2023. PAT is related to vertical axis. PAT is related to vertical axis, and employee status is related to horizontal axis. Therefore, PAT by ES we have to consider. For question number 3, for question number 3, here quickly writing. First we consider A, then C, then E, and then F corresponding to third question. This is corresponding to third question. A is having a PAT score in 2023. We require 2023. A, C, E, F we have to consider. So A is having PAT 3,800, 4,000 in between 3,900. A is having 3,900 divided by employees are 1,300 employees. C is having a score of 3,000 divided by 800. C is having 3,000 divided by 800. Maximum we want. C, this is 800. Next, E is having in between 3,400 to 3,600. Therefore 3,500. E is having 3,500 divided by, and corresponding horizontal coordinate is 1,400. And corresponding to F, F is having horizontal vertical axis 3,200 crores. 3,200 crores divided by horizontal axis, F is having ACF, F is having 1,000. So if we observe all together quickly, zero zeros got cancelled. 3,900 by 33. This is equal to 3. 13. This is 13. 3 is the 39. Next 800 by 34. 0 got cancelled. 30 by 80. 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is 15 by 4. 15 by 4 means 16 by 4 is 4. Almost 4. 4 just minus 35 by 14. Oh, 35 by 14. 35 by 14 is nothing but 14 to 38. Sorry, 14 to 28. 14 3 is 42. It is around 2.5. Assume, no problem. 3,200 by this is around 3.2, which is bigger. Out of C and F, we are getting C. C is having 30 by 8. 30 by 8 is equal to 15 by 4, which is 15 by 4 is equal to 4. 15 by 4 is nothing but we want maximum. Therefore, some confliction arised. 30 by 8 is nothing but 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is nothing but 7.5 by 2. 7.5 by 2 is nothing but 3.75. So directly we can write 3.75. So C is having a maximum PAT by employee ratio. So answer for third question is fifth C. Answer for question number 4. Question number 4, we are having which among the firms C, D, E, F had the least amount of R&D spending per year in the year 2023. So 2023, C, D, E, F have to consider. First we write C. C is having least R&D. R&D is around the R&D means per proportional area around the central point. So first we consider C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F. We are considering options of C, D, E, F. Therefore, C is corresponding to 3,000 and its corresponding area. Directly we can write area square. Radius square. Radius is nothing but here how much? Radius is nothing but 1 unit. So 3,000 into 1 unit we can keep. CD. Next next CD. D is nothing but around, this is 2,400 into radius square we are writing. 2,400 into, again it is having a radius of 1 into 1. And CDE we are considering, E is considered to be at around 3,400 and 3,500. So this is 3,500 into corresponding radius is 1 to 2 units, 2 into 2. Radius, I am writing direct multiples. Unit is not required. Actually, 1 unit is equal to 200 crores. That factor will be cancelled altogether. And F we are having 3,200 into 1 unit. 3,200 into 1 into 1. If we consider all these, which is biggest and okay, which is smallest, our aim is to get the least is nothing but 2,400. Why? Because this is 3,000 into 1 into 1. This is 3,500 into 2 into 2. This is 3,200 into, this is not, and this is not. Answer for this question is CD. Firm D. Thank you, students. Thank you, everyone. If you like my video, please share it. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.